Interesting.
We got her Big Mama.
Big Mama.
Yes, she is one. Right now she's a little hot, so she's panting. It's sort of like a dog. Yeah, for European eagles, the only predators would be another bird from their species, or a golden eagle.
Interesting.
Hold her in a little closer to you. She is a woman. She likes to be snuggled. They are compared to a ordinary breed. Up. Oh, she is in such a good mood.
If she was in a bad mood, she could take your hand off that knee.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, yep.
Interesting.
It was nice meeting you.
Interesting.
Angel crest. Angel crest.
Fascinating.
Angel crest.
Fascinating.
Angel crest.
Fascinating.